Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you, we're having Stampin' Up from October 1st to October 31st is having a really big designer series paper sale. So I thought I'd start it out and show you some of the paper that I have that's going to be on sale. There's going to be, excuse me, 15 designer series paper sets that are on sale, 15% off. The first one that I have is Artistry Blooms. Now I just love this. Let's bring this up. See if we can, okay. I just love this. The coloring. Look at the coloring on these. Just great. So much you can do. These are great background colors and papers that you can use. And instead of $11.50, they're now starting October 1st, they'll be $9.78. I just love that one. And then the next one is 'Tis the Season, and that's a 6x6, and that's in the mini catalog. I haven't really used this one because I haven't really started my Christmas cards. Well, I have, but not really. And here is the 'Tis the Season. It's cherry cobbler, real red. It looks like shaded spruce. Now these would be good, just quick, easy cards. You could use these. Oh, look at the jingle bells. Oh, and the deer, reindeer. You could use these just as is with slapping a little Merry Christmas on it or Happy Holidays. Anyhow, that's 'Tis the Season, and again, that'll be usually $11.50, but 15% off, $9.78. And remember, this starts, can't get these in. This starts on Thursday, October 1st, and goes to October 31st, which I believe is a Saturday, Halloween. The next one that is on sale is really one I really like. This is Forever Greenery. It's in the annual catalog. I love the coloring on this. This one I just really like. There is an art form that does this, and I really like this. And again, $11.50 and now $9.78. Oh, Tikala or something like this. It's a art form here is also, it's from Australia, the Aboriginal art form. Just beautiful. Okay, then the next one is the Poinsettia Place. I don't have that one yet. So I can't show you what is all involved in that one. But the next one is Trimming the Town Designer Series Paper, and I have this one. I'll show you it, and I'll show you something you can do with this one. If I still have, I think I should have at least one left. I love this, the sayings, all these sayings on here. And you can you could even cut them apart and use the sayings on your cards. This one, see this? I'm going to put that on one of the advent calendar boxes. I'm just going to cut them 2 inches all the way, and I'm going to put that right on there so it's the full picture. I'm going to give that to Kayla because she's got a new house, and I think this would go well with the new house. See all of these, look at the little people there. Now here's one too. You can cut these out and use those on cards. Okay, so that calling trimming the town. And then we have the next one is plaid tidings, which I do not have either. So you can look that one up on the website. You know, you can find all of these on my website, marytroutner.stampinup.net, and just hit the shop now button and go to paper cart, and you can see all of them. And starting October 1st, you'll be able to see all of the ones on sale. So after plaid is toil tidings, and I have to tell you, this is the only sheet I have left. Oh no, I have 2 sheets left. That's it. I loved this last year and they brought it back. It is so great. You could use it for Christmas or you don't have to. It's old garden green and real red, and it's the same scene on each side. Just one in red and one in green. I love that. And then the next is Peony Garden. This I love because you can color these. And I'll show you just in, okay, come on out. So these, look at that. That you can color. This you can color. You could even color that. Look at that. Look at the side of that. I love that. And here are the little buds. And here are the grays. Now see, you can color. These you can color. I love this. Now how would you color? You can color that one. How would you color these? Well, you can color these, and I do it quite a bit, you know, when I'm sitting down watching Masterpiece Mystery or something like that. So I'll show you. You can color them using a Stampin' Up marker, just like this. Okay. You can color them using our blends. This is dark. Either dark or light. And since this is highlighted already, you don't really even have to highlight. I highlighted it over on that one. But you can color like that, or you could do watercoloring if you want, but you can also use the watercolor pencils and just use it as a colored pencil. So if coloring really relaxes you, or I know if some of you have the Shakes palsy, Parkinson's disease, the concentration of when you color, I've heard from a couple of my folks that have it, makes it so you don't shake as much because you can color. So you may want to try that. And you know, you don't even have to be color in the lines. So I just wanted to show you what you could do with that. I just love those. Okay, and then after that is the Wheel of Time, which I don't have. And then we've got Heartwarming Hugs. Now this is just, look at that. I love that. Now these are not necessarily just Christmas papers. You could use these all year round. So get extra ones of these if you want to use them all year round and just not for Christmas. And then we have Magic in the Night, which is the Halloween one, which I didn't get. And then we've got Snowflake Splendor, which I just love. Look at these. Look at that. Just love the look at those. And then we have one that I just love, In Good Taste. It's a huge one. This is usually $21. It's on sale for $17.85. I use them these as backgrounds for my photos when I take photos of my cards. But look at them. They look. You got to touch that, don't you? But it's flat. Look at all of these. Just some great backgrounds. Man backgrounds. If you're into man cards, you need man card ideas, there we go. Now I did take some of these out because I use them as backgrounds and I put them on, I'll show you, I put them on little 12 by 12 pieces of board that actually come with some of the Specialty Designer Series paper. So there's just some more. I've got like 5 or 6 of these, so I can have different colors. That's 10 backgrounds. I got 5 of them, 10 backgrounds. Okay, and then we have Playing with Patterns. I haven't even opened this one. So shall we open this? And let's grab the scissors so I don't, okay. So just remember, this starts the 1st of October. Huge sale. This is the Play with Patterns. There we go. Oh, look at, I love that. Oh, I think I know what I'm going to play with for Simple Stamping Day. Look at those beautiful patterns. And then we're back to the beginning. So you get 4 of each, and they're 6 by 6. And then the last one is the Playful Pets. That's also, I don't have that one. Can you imagine? I don't have some of these. But being in the RV most of the time, I can't put all of them in there. So anyhow, just remember to follow me on YouTube, and everything you need to order this starting October 1st is listed below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.